Okay, let's divide 1 over 200. Long division. 1 divided by 200. Of course, this is not possible because this is smaller. Our dividend is smaller than the divisor. So how many zeros can you see there? 2. So I'm going to add 2 zeros here. 100. Oh, not yet. It's still smaller. So we need to add 1 more 0 so that we can divide. But we added 0. We have to put a decimal at the point where we added the zeros. But in our answer, we have to add the decimal there as well, the same column. So now let's going to take all this number to divide with our divisor, which is 200. 1000 divided by 200. I'm not good in math. We cross that one first. We cross this one as well. So we have 10. 10 divided by 2. What's that? 5? Yes, 5. But we are going to put the answer on top of the last 0 because we took all these numbers to divide with our divisor. So we're going to put 5 over there. And then we multiply 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 0, another 0, 5 times 2. 5 times 2? Yes, 10. And then we are going to subtract. Bingo, it's 0. So we are done. But look at our quotient. It has vacant spaces there, placed value. So we're going to pad them with zeros. So 0.005 is the final answer. 1 divided by 200 is 5 thousandths. We are going to add that with the equivalent of 2 over 100. When we are adding fractions, we have to line up the decimal places in one column. 0, 0, 5. 5, 2, and 0. So the answer, equivalent decimal number of 2 1/2% is 25 thousandths or 0.025. Wow, we solved our problem. So let's review our